Back everyone, you may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting the same Instagram stories being loaded up every single time you log into Instagram. Now, the reason, or one of the main reasons why this may be happening, is mostly because you're not connected to a Wi Fi connection or internet connection. So, what does that mean? Well, essentially, as most of you know, you have to be connected to a internet connection or Wi Fi in order to actually load up these applications. So, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure you're connected to a good, reliable internet connection. Because if you're not, well, then that's probably going to be the first reason why you're getting this error. Now, another thing that could be happening is quite possibly the people who are posting their stories, they may end up posting so many times that it may end up looking like it's the same story, but it's not. That's another thing that's happened quite a bit. But also, it may be that Instagram has some sort of weird server problems in the background. So one thing you can always do is you make your way over to websites that tell you if the specific service is down or not. The one place I like going is this website called downdetector.com, just because most of the time it's fairly reliable. So you can just go ahead and pretty much scroll down here and just see if Instagram is on it. And you can see Instagram is on it, but I had to scroll down quite a bit and it looks pretty even. If it's like a straight line, usually it's not anything crazy. But if it's something like this, where it's like spiked up like that, well, then quite potentially Instagram has an issue, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they basically fix this problem for the most part. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not working. Well, another thing you can do is try updating Instagram. So make your way over to your app store like this, click the search button, and all you want to do is just search up Instagram. So once you search it up, all you want to do is go ahead and open it up like this. And if there's an update available for Instagram, you just want to go ahead and update the specific application. Majority of the time, that's probably going to fix it for you, and that's probably all you have to do. If that's still not working, you can try powering down your phone, turning it back on. You can also try going through and deleting Instagram and reinstalling it. But ultimately, those are the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.